Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, I will teach you the basics of Java. So let's go on to the first problem. So in this class, we will print the simple hello world program, and the second line we are having a hello Java. So this is our first question. Welcome to the hello world of Java. So in this challenge, we practice printing to std out like standard input and output statements. Like in this program, we will just print these hello world. So how can we do it in Java? So for this, we can use the online compiler, Java online compiler. So we are having the Java online compiler. So here, so this is the basic structure of a Java program. So here we are having basic printing, like they have already given the code. So, so for this, we will add some more statements for this. So first thing is import Java dot util dot star. So this is the util package. So import Java dot util dot star. In this package, we will having all the classes. So like a scanner class, array list class. So all these classes will be present in this util package. So going forward, we can know more about this package. So for this challenge, we have to bring just the hello world. So this is the class. The class name is hello world. So which can be, this is a package where we can access outside the package also. And this is the main method. So the program starts with the main method. So it is public static void main, and inside arguments like string arguments, which is used in command line arguments. So we are printing the hello world. So for printing purpose, we are using system.out.println. So let us run this program. So you can see, right, we have got the output hello world. So this is the simple program. So we can not only hello world, we can print anything like welcome to the basics of Java. So we can print anything, and this system.out.println. So now we can run this program. So the output will be, welcome to basics of Java. So whatever we print in this system.out.println, so that statement will be present in the output. So this is our first program with the beginning of basics of Java. Thank you, friends. And before going on, please subscribe my channel and follow more. For getting more updates, you have to ring the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you so much.